Are you going mad during the lockdown, thinking what to do, how to do it, and not finding enough energy for it? Well, then, here's how I have been handling the lockdown and how I have been keeping track of my mental health. So, it becomes very necessary that you take care of your mental health, especially in an extraordinary situation like a lockdown, where you are isolated, and many of you might be isolated without anyone else in the house, and everyone else is very far away. So, how do you keep yourself motivated? How do you keep yourself happy? And how do you keep yourself going day to day? It so happened that I got a little affected by the lockdown, and even though I was working from home, it became that I lost the sense of motivation to a certain extent, and that's why I did not even feel like shooting videos for a while. It was just this paralysis that happened. So, these are a few things that helped me come out of this. The first thing, if you don't know this, this is just a post-it, okay? A post-it that helps me come out of any kind of a slump. Now, what I do with this is just take these, I have these in different colors, and I jot down a few things. It can be some quotes that inspire me, it can be lyrics from songs, it can also be two things, only two things that I need to finish today. Two things for my career, two things for my personal life, maybe two things for my health, and I stick these where I can see it very prominently. So it can be my mirror, it can be my bedroom, table, it can be my work table, and it really brings back into focus a lot of things for me. It helps as those reminders, okay, which tell you that it doesn't matter. Even if you are under lockdown right now, you got to keep going and you got to finish these small things. And the inspiring lines remind me that there are many others who are also going through this, and I can take care of myself just by doing one small task, just by getting started. So the second thing that helps me is writing. I have been writing a lot. You can choose any notebook, any diary, and you can start writing. Writing really helps me process what I'm feeling, what is going wrong. Maybe I'm feeling irritated one day, maybe I'm feeling a little down, or maybe I'm just getting overwhelmed with the whole scenario of being in a lockdown. So writing helps me out in that majorly. So that's something that I try to do, and there's no designated time for it. Whenever I feel overwhelmed, I do that. But I feel that getting up early in the morning and or whenever you wake up, the first thing if you do is write down whatever is going on in your head. It helps you get rid of a lot of clutter throughout the day. The third thing that I do, which helps me be productive, is very strange, and that is exercise, and especially weightlifting. So just before the lockdown, I had gotten into the habit of lifting some very tiny home weights. So these are my home weights. You can find them very easily. Not right now, of course, but you can find them at Amazon, at any store around you. I'm not endorsing any product, so to say, and I have no partnerships, but this is just where you can find them. Any health shop, for example. This is a simple 2 kg one, right? You can also go ahead and pick up a lot more weight, but I find that doing some very basic stretching exercises with weights has helped my mood a lot. It has helped my health a lot. I don't say that I have lost a lot of weight or anything of that sort. It's just that it gives me that burst of energy and that stress relief when needed. And the fourth important thing that I do is read. Read in any form. It can be reading a book, it can be reading a blog, it can be reading via audio, just listening to an audiobook while I'm doing some other household chores which I don't like doing. So this is something that I love. I love pairing things up, like I watch House MD on repeat and I do my weight training. I put on an Audible book and I wash the dishes. These are some things which have helped me stay sane and have kept me in good mental health. And I want to know what you are doing to keep your mental health during this lockdown. Do let me know in the comment section. That's it from my side. I hope you're following my YouTube channel, Ask Annie. Stay subscribed and hit the bell icon so that you get updates of every video that I'm going to do in the upcoming weeks. Thank you and stay safe, stay home.